Have you ever wondered why your joints crack and pop, especially when you stretch or move? Here's what's happening inside your body. When you move, you're stretching the capsule around your joint. Inside that capsule is a fluid called synovial fluid, which keeps your joints lubricated. As you stretch, the pressure changes, and gases like nitrogen form bubbles in the fluid. When those bubbles pop, it creates the cracking sound. But don't worry, it's usually harmless unless you feel pain or swelling. Fun fact, repeated cracking doesn't cause arthritis, contrary to popular belief. But if a joint clicks or locks frequently, it might be worth checking with a doctor. Do your joints crack? Share your story below.